Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my topic is present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is also called the present progressive tense. It is used to show that an ongoing action is happening now, either at the moment of speech or now in a larger sense. There are different uses of present continuous tense. First, to describe something which is happening at the exact moment of speech. Example, Jim is watching television at the moment. Second, to describe an action that is taking place now but not at the exact moment of speech, like John is working in London. Third, to describe an event planned in future. Example, I am taking my French class on Tuesday. Next, to describe a temporary situation, like I am staying with a friend for a few days. Next, to emphasize the frequency of an action. That child is always crying for no good reason. Last is to describe changing situation. Example, her health is improving by leaps and bounds. Formation for the formative sentences. In the beginning we use subject, then helping verb am, is, are, then present participle form. It is also called the be plus ing form, then object. Examples, he is playing with dolls. Second, you are drawing a picture. Third, they are making a map. Fourth, the children are playing hide and seek. Fifth, I am writing a story. In present continuous tense, when subject is I, we use helping verb am. When subject is he, she, it, or any singular, we use is. When subject is we, you, they, any plural subjects, we use are. Formation for the negative sentence. In the beginning we use subject, then helping verb am, is, are, then not, then present participle form, and at the last we use object. Example, she is not learning the tables. Second, you are not catching the fish. Third, they are not flying the kites. Fourth, guests are not eating the food. Fifth, I am not writing a story. Formation for the interrogative sentence. We use in the beginning of sentence helping verb am, is, are according to the subject. Then we use subject, then present participle form, and then object. At the end of sentence we use the interrogative sign. Example, am I listening to a song? Second, is Sarah attending her classes? Third, are candidates casting the votes? Fourth, is he preparing for exam? Fifth, are you visiting the zoo?